They say lions never kneel. But what happens when a lion burns? What happens when pride turns into ashes and the roar fades into silence? Before you judge, remember, this story isn't about losing. It's about being reborn. And before we begin, know that the visuals shown in this video are meant to provide a calm and immersive viewing experience, not necessarily to match the narration word for word. There once was a man known for his fire. He walked through life with his head high, voice loud, and eyes sharp. People respected him, feared him even. He was the kind who wouldn't back down, who wouldn't forgive, who saw mercy as weakness. He thought strength was about dominance until life humbled him. One day, everything he built, the reputation, the confidence, the control, started to crumble. Friends disappeared. His work failed. And for the first time, the lion was silent. He tried to roar again, to fight his way back. But no matter how hard he pushed, nothing changed. That's when he realized he wasn't fighting the world anymore. He was fighting himself. He spent nights in the dark, questioning his worth. He wanted to scream, but instead, he sat still. He wanted to blame, but instead, he reflected. He wanted revenge, but instead, he forgave. And in that stillness, something inside him changed. He understood that being a lion isn't about being loud. It's about being unshakable. It's about standing tall when no one's watching. It's about not needing to prove, not needing to win every battle, not needing to be seen. When his pride burned, his ego turned to dust. And from those ashes, a new kind of strength rose, quieter, sharper, deeper. He stopped chasing validation. He stopped arguing with small minds. He started walking with calm certainty, the kind that can't be bought or taught. Because real power doesn't roar anymore. It whispers, and the world still listens. So if life ever burns you down to ashes, remember this. That's not your ending. That's your rebirth. And from those ashes, you'll rise, quieter, but far stronger.